How to use ChatGPT to write a job description. ChatGPT can help you write a job description. Here's an example job description for a software developer position. Title: Software Developer. Job summary: we are seeking a skilled software developer to join our team. The successful candidate will be responsible for designing, developing, and maintaining software applications and systems. The software developer will collaborate with other developers, product owners, and project managers to deliver high-quality software solutions. Responsibilities: design, develop, and maintain software applications and systems using modern programming languages and technologies. Write clean, efficient, and well-documented code. Collaborate with other developers, product owners, and project managers to understand requirements and deliver high-quality software solutions. Test software to ensure it meets quality standards. Troubleshoot and debug software issues. Stay up to date with emerging trends and technologies in software development. Requirements: bachelor's degree in computer science or a related field. Proven experience as a software developer. Strong knowledge of modern programming languages, such as Java, Python, or C#. Familiarity with software development methodologies, such as Agile. Experience with version control systems, such as Git. Excellent problem-solving and analytical skills. Strong communication and collaboration skills. Ability to work independently and as part of a team. If you have any questions or would like to apply for this position, please submit your resume and cover letter. Thank you for your interest in our company. Here are some reputable sources that discuss the importance of a good job description. Society for Human Resource Management, SHRM, Why Job Descriptions Matter. This article explains how a good job description can help attract the right candidates, set clear expectations for job performance, and provide a basis for employee evaluation and compensation. It also offers tips for creating effective job descriptions. Forbes, Why Job Descriptions Are Important. This article discusses how a well-written job description can help employers avoid legal issues related to discrimination, ensure compliance with labor laws, and promote fairness and transparency in hiring and promotion decisions. Career Builder, The Importance of Job Descriptions. This article emphasizes the role of job descriptions in setting clear expectations for employees, reducing turnover, and improving performance management. It also offers advice on how to create effective job descriptions that reflect the needs of the organization and the expectations of the workforce. The Balanced Careers, The Role of a Job Description in Talent Management. This article discusses how job descriptions, the skills and qualifications needed for a particular job, assess the performance of employees, and plan for future talent needs. It also offers guidance on how to write job descriptions that are clear, concise, and accurate. Indeed, the importance of writing a good job description. This article highlights the role of job descriptions in attracting qualified candidates, setting expectations for job performance, and improving employee retention. It also provides tips for creating job descriptions that are engaging, accurate, and informative. All of these sources emphasize the importance of a good job description in setting clear expectations for job performance, attracting the right candidates, and promoting fairness and transparency in hiring and promotion decisions. They also offer practical advice for creating effective job descriptions that reflect the needs of the organization and the expectations of the workforce.